Surigao, fake. Surigao, full of J, ayaw. A whistle sound. Foul number 0, Oral. Pushing foul, first personal foul. First team foul. Juliet. Ball position. 14, in possess. Fake. Fake pa rin. Tumesa lag-lag to Mr. Javier sa ilalim. Black by Mr. Dakuliat. Agawa na mo ko Dag Penny. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Surigao sitting to play. Hinahanap si Mr. 15 to shoot. 2 minutes and 37. Surigao! Ayaw! Agawa na mo ko Dag Penny sa yung ball. 9 to shoot. Shot clock is in 40. Sa ilalim to Dakuliat. Wow! Wala pa rin. Marquez in the rebound. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to emphasis. May nakaharang. Labas to Marquez. Surigao. Surigao ngayon ay pamadali. Naglag to lang. Igat sa ilalim. Wala! There's whistle sound.